Hello, today we will guide you through how to refer a friend to H&R Block. Let's walk through it together so you can get to the referral form quickly and without confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the H&R Block website, specifically the page called Options for Filing Your Taxes. This page lists the different ways you can file, and it also gives you access to the site-wide search. Make sure you're on the official H&R Block site before proceeding. At the top of the page, locate the search feature. It's typically in the header and may appear as a magnifying glass icon. Click it to open the search field so you can look up the referral program directly. If you don't see it right away, scroll to the top of the page or widen your window until the header appears. In the search box, type the phrase, "Refer a friend." Keep it simple. Using that exact wording helps you land on the correct result. Then confirm or press enter to run the search. From the results, choose the option labeled Refer a Friend. You're looking for the official H&R Block result that takes you to the Refer a Friend offer page, where the program details inform live. Clicking the correct result will open the offer page in your browser. On the offer page, select Get Started. This button launches the secure form you'll use to begin the referral process. Take a moment to let the page fully load so every field appears correctly. Next, fill in the required fields, your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Enter the information carefully, exactly as you use it with H&R Block, and make sure you use an email you actively check. Avoid including any extra personal details, just the fields requested. Accurate information ensures the referral can be tracked properly. Complete the CAPTCHA challenge to verify you're not a robot. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to select images or check a box. If the CAPTCHA doesn't appear or won't complete, refresh the page or temporarily pause any strict content blockers and try again. Once your name, last name, and email are entered and the CAPTCHA is confirmed, click Next. This submits the first part of the referral process and moves you forward. From here, the site will guide you through the remaining on-screen steps specific to your referral, all within the same secure experience. That's it. You've successfully navigated to and started the H&R Block Refer a Friend process. Thanks for following along.